So I stopped by the project here to take a look at something, and found that the painters have the what I call the spray booth basically set up to shoot all the doors. To basically use an airless sprayer. That's what they paint the ceilings with, and then trim and doors. They also use that same airless spray gun. But basically, here's what they do: they just pick a room and they just set them up. These are all the bifold doors for the closets. Here's the doors for the bathrooms and bedrooms. And as you can see, they just, pretty simple system. They take paint stir sticks, if you can see there, and they just set these up, set all the doors up in kind of a staggered pattern, and just tack those stir strips to the top, and that keeps them in place. So now they can just walk around, spray them, and they don't have to worry about leaning them against anything. So anyway, just thought I'd kind of show you how that process works if you've never seen it before.